As far as love goes, part of the problem is we have 8 billion options. Or at least we think we have 8 billion options. I think what we gotta realize is we're not gonna meet 8 billion people. Most of the people we meet, we'll meet them for a moment, and that's it. So, if you're looking, just open your eyes. Maybe there's somebody around that's quite lovable. And the other issue is we look for issues. We look for what's wrong with the person. How are they different from us? We don't look at what's there to love about them. Because everybody has something to love about them. Even if it's something in a weird shallow level, it's fine. We gotta love people, but we can't be consumed by loving one person. I think that's when things become unhealthy. We gotta love ourselves, our friends, our neighbors, our family. Whoever is in our lives, we gotta find love for them. So whoever is in your life, can't love everybody. Well, you can, but you won't know everybody. But I guess you can love everybody in an abstract way. And the people you do love, try and love them in equal measure. Meaning, don't give too much or too little. I figure what they give is what they want. Or at least what they should expect to get back. But I think the more you love people, the more you should expect to get back from them, as far as love goes. And that's normal, but it's also, some people have more to give than others, because maybe they were given so little, so they might need extra. And if you have extra, share it, absolutely. And if you need more love, try giving more love. Because the more you give it, the more it attracts it.